Good morning, guys. It's Roger from Gospel Boat. Now I'm stand behind front of the 10-meter catamaran boat. But we do the sea trial of this wine with my dealers, and you see this is a very nice craft. And the size being filmed. And we also have a 8.8 meter catamaran boat, which will be sea trial as well. And also this wine is 10-meter landing craft. So they have plenty of our boats. So now we can have a quick look when the boat sit on the calm waters. So please follow me. You can see the boat is being filmed on the side with nice stickers. The crafty cat with all EVA flow on the front. Big fish on the side. Inside the door. It's powered by twin Suzuki 350 horsepowers. And they have changed to twin 3-blade propellers. So we'll be doing the sea trial again. And when you entry from the side door, you can have a quick look of the rear deck. Engines with 30-inch leg. The rear ladders. Fishing rod holders. You can see it's a huge rear deck. And the open bore rear windows. Another side door. It's a huge space for the rear passageway. Have a more close look at the propellers and engines. Here is a kitchen desk with a sink. Small seat. Another kitchen facility with a fridge, storage. The side of the boat. Lounge sofas. It's a big dashboard with a joystick, engine controllers, all the gauges, big Simrad screens, VHF, switch panels, sleeping areas. It's used to be used as a storage. Toilet room. Co-captain seat with a footrest. The lounge sofas. The rear openable windows, the fans, the battery screen. It's all with the side sliding windows, 360 degrees. So I'll make more videos when this boat is doing the sea trial, and we see the performance of this nice craft. See you later.